Hi everyone, Bianca with Spectrum Lighting back here again today to take a look at our Lumenstick. This is part of our cylinder series and it's available in a 12, 18, and 24-inch option. It also has a 3-inch diameter for both the square and the round options. As you can see, this fixture is fully aluminum and it's CNC machined right here in Massachusetts. This fixture has decorative cord options, those are listed online, and it has an integral LED driver, which means that you're going to have a more low profile canopy. This fixture also has an optic, which is going to help with LED imaging, and it's going to create a more warm look coming out of the cylinder. As you can see, the exterior and interior finish can be painted to whatever you prefer, which can really change the look from a school setting to a restaurant setting, and it doesn't impact the Kelvin temperature at all. Thank you for supporting our products. As always, you can check out all the options that are available online. Thank you. Here's Bianca.